Welcome to Homes with Caleb. I'm Caleb Madsen, your go-to real estate expert for Prosper, McKinney, and Salina, Texas. Whether you're dreaming of upsizing to a larger home, relocating from out of state, or diving into a world of luxury real estate, you're in the right place. Here on this channel, we're going to cover everything you need to know about living in this incredible part of Texas. From stunning home tours to neighborhood highlights, as well as insider market tips, my goal is to help you feel confident and informed as you make your real estate decisions. My mission is simple: to make your real estate journey seamless, stress-free, and dare I say, fun. What sets me apart? I have a meticulous eye for detail to make sure every property I represent looks its best. My clients know that they can rely on me for tenacity, timeliness, and trustworthiness throughout the entire process. So what can you expect here on Homes with Caleb? We'll not only tour amazing properties, vibrant communities, but we'll also highlight the events and attractions in the area that make this such a special place to live. Whether you're just starting your real estate journey or ready to take the next big step, I'm here to be your guide. You can book a call with me through the calendar link in the description below, text me at the number on the screen, or email me directly. I'm here to make your real estate journey as easy as possible. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. Got a question about a neighborhood or want me to cover a specific topic? Leave a comment below, I'd love to hear from you.